Alright traders, one last video for me, one last recap on the week. You guys are probably sick and tired of hearing my voice. Been on YouTube so much, I think they flagged my IP for trolling. Anyways, one trade today, NVDA, clean, done my day in 10 minutes. That's how you want to see it. No need to force things on a Friday. First, let's talk about these triangles. So this triangles, I put that video together last night, uploaded around midnight, woke up, traded, and then I started getting emails, started checking the comments, and people were telling me, hey, this stuff works, Robert. I played it on AMAT, I played it on Uber, saw it on this, saw it on that. And guys, I didn't invent this strategy. This has been around forever, for decades, right? This is one of the oldest patterns in the book. So I no groundbreaking inventions here or anything, and I'm no expert in this. I just started drawing these lines a few months back and noticing these things happen, right? So I really encourage you guys to go out there, study these things, become knowledgeable. It's a very simple, easy pattern, right? It happens later in the day after 10, and it could definitely suit your personality. Now, it happened on Uber today. Everyone in the room saw this, right? Everyone in the room saw this. It was just consolidating to a point, and we just broke out. William took the trade live, right? Caught a huge $1 move. Don't worry about these wicks. That's just him fat finger order on his way out because he's so excited to catch this dollar move. Eamon took it here on this ABCD. Remember I said that the final move out of the triangle could be an ABCD. Get a good entry there. Other people I'm seeing in the comments on YouTube also caught the move. Very clean stuff, right? And we saw it on SPY. SPY actually did the same thing. So SPY was stuck inside of here for the first 50 minutes, right? Coiled around till around 10:20. Then it broke out and the volume came in. This is what you want to see. When the volume starts coming in, people are seeing this move. We break out and off we went for the day, right? I think we're reversing now, but that's not important. So anyways, I really hope that someone out there becomes an expert in this and, you know, calls it out in the room. The more people who are watching this, the more we all benefit. You guys remember the 15-minute chart when this was a new thing last year? Now everyone's calling them out every day because we're all helping each other. We're just watching different stocks, watching different time frames. We see things differently, but if we can call it in the room, then we all benefit. So if someone out there can become the triangle expert, or a group of you guys, start calling them, we'll all start seeing them. It's even more setups, more patterns for us to trade. Okay, so enough about that. I took NVIDIA today. This is basically a 2-minute orb, nothing fancy. It's turned out to be a 1-minute bull flag. This is such a cute little bull. Look at how cute that pennant is. It's so adorable, right against the previous day close. Anyways, took it here, breakout. You want to see the flags repeating. Boom, out for 2 to 1 and gone. It got up a little bit higher here. Then it gave a hanging man, which is William's play with the hanging man, and it never looked back. Turned around and sold off, right? So simple play. Done my day really quick. That's how you want to do it. And as I was saying in my recap yesterday, guys, just focus on a handful of things. You don't need to learn every single strategy all at once. It's just too much for you to comprehend, right? Maybe start with flags. That's what I did. I like flags. They repeat, right? It's very simple. You know where to enter. You know where to stop. You know, target's 2 to 1 because you're counting on the pattern repeating. Maybe you can focus on shooting stars and in hanging mans or hammers and reversals, things like that. Or maybe you can take on this triangle challenge I'm putting out there. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer the movie Trolls or Monsters, Inc. Take care, everyone.